How to secure your WordPress website from hackers. Worried about hackers targeting your WordPress website? You should be, but don't panic. Let's walk through some essential steps to boost your security right now. First things first, password. Are you still using password like password123? Time for an upgrade. Use a strong unique password for everything. Your WordPress admin, hosting account, database. Think combination of the letters, numbers, and symbols. Have you updated your password recently? Seriously, pause it and do it now if you haven't. Next up is updates. WordPress themes and plugins, they all get updates, often for the security patches. Think of them as a digital vaccine for your site. Are your themes and plugins up to date? Check your dashboard right now and update everything that needs it. Security plugins, they are like your website bodyguards. Plugins like WordFence and Sucuri Security offer firewalls, malware scanning, and more. Do you use a security plugin? If not, why not explore adding one today? Lastly, limit login attempts. Hackers often try brute force attacks guessing password repeatedly. A plugin or security can limit how many times someone can try logging in before getting logged out. Have you ever considered limiting the login attempts to protect against a brute force attack? Implementing this simple step, strong password, regular updates, security plugins, and login attempt limits, you are making your WordPress website a much harder target for the hackers. This will surely help you to stay secure online. That's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.